I spent more than $1 million on Facebook ads, and this is what I learned. Hi guys, my name is Alexander and I own an e-commerce growth agency, and we specialize in helping businesses to scale to multiple 7 and 8 figures with paid ads such as Facebook, Instagram, Google, Pinterest, TikTok, and we also do email marketing. In the past year or so, I have spent more than $1 million on Facebook ads with my clients, and in today's video I'm going to share with you 5 things that I have learned from it. Number 1, creative is key. With the current state of advertising and e-commerce and all of the missing data, focusing on creative is very important because it's one of the few things that we can control. Different creatives work for different brands, so testing is essential. And developing a creative strategy is a must. Use videos if your products need a little bit more explanation of how they work, what they do, and how people can benefit from. Use carousels when you have different variations of the products or different collections. Another thing to keep in mind when it comes to creative is it needs to be eye-catching and with a strong hook when you use a video. Because with everything going on in the world, it's getting harder and harder to grab people's attention. And there's 3 places I use to get inspired and get ideas for when I create ads. Those 3 places are Unicorn Ads, Facebook Ads Library, and TikTok Creative Library. Number 2, testing is essential. If your budget allows you, you should have dedicated campaign to testing. There's so many things that you can test. In the audiences, you can test age range, gender, location, attribution window, bid strategy, placements, just to name a few. With the creatives, you can test types of creatives, headlines, link descriptions, call to action, copy, and much more. There's endless things that you can test, and I recommend you to test one thing at a time. This way, you'll know if the changes that you're making on the ads or audiences are making a positive impact or a negative one. If you stop testing and your best performance stop performing, you need to start from zero. With consistent testing, you always have something working that you can replace the underperforming ads. Number 3, don't make emotional decisions. Make decisions based on the data you have. Even with the limited data that we have now, you can still make data-driven decisions. It is very important to follow the data patterns and optimize your ads. Emotional decisions lead to poor performance. There's third-party tools that you can use to assist you with data tracking. TripAware is what we use in our agency. It works very well, and they have an amazing customer service. Other third-party tools are Uribe and Hyros. I've never personally used them, and both are more expensive than TripAware, and I'm not sure if they work better. Number 4, broad audiences work better than narrowed ones. Since the iOS update, Facebook has been getting rid of small audiences and has been pushing the broad ones. They also deliver our ads to people outside of the audiences we're targeting, so it is very important to feed the pixel with data so it can show the ads to the relevant people. A few broad audiences that have worked very well for us lately are 10% lookalikes, broad audiences, so no targeting at all, and stacking interests. Number 5, exclusions are important. You can't serve the ad to people that have never seen your brand before and to people that have been following your brand for a while. People are at the different stages of the funnel, so you need to treat them differently. Make sure you exclude the right audiences and don't overcomplicate things. I have a whole video on my channel that explains about exclusions, how to make them, what type of exclusions to do, so you can check it out. But in short, remove bottom of funnel from middle of funnel and remove bottom and middle of funnel from top of funnel. Those are some of the things that I learned from spending over $1 million on Facebook ads over the past year. If you got value from this video, like and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out get these videos out there. But yeah, thank you for your time, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.